Today we are going to tell you about transformation of sentence. Here in this chapter we change sentence one grammatical form to another without changing its meaning. Example, sentence is he is handsome. If we change this sentence into negative sentence, it is possible by adding not, is, may, is change this sentence. But if we use not in this sentence will be he is not handsome. Here, not handsome means ugly. Not handsome means ugly. Thus, the meaning is changed. So, it is not called transformation of sentence. So, we apply another method that the meaning of sentence remain the same and sentence would be negative. Therefore, we write opposite of handsome and use not before opposite of handsome. Thus, the sentence is formed, he is not ugly. Here, not ugly means handsome. So, the meaning of first sentence and meaning of second sentence is remain the same. It is called transformation of sentence. So, while applying the method to transform the sentence, we use some rules. Rule number 1, remove 2, and rule number 2, rule number 1, remove adverb 2 already discussed, and second rule, change degree of comparison is also discussed. While changing the degree of comparison, one thing we have already learned, that is change positive degree to comparative degree. This topic has been discussed. Now today we have to learn how to change superlative degree into comparative degree or positive degree. We are well aware that the superlative degree of adjective is written by adding es at the end of adjective and use the before adjective. Suppose adjective is great, then superlative degree of great is greatest. The sentence is he is the greatest man of his town. Here, quality of man, quality of he is the greatest. So, the adjective is written in superlative degree, you have to change that degree into comparative degree. For changing superlative degree into comparative degree, B. Use following step. Step 1. Step 1 is write the sentence as written in superlative degree. He is the greatest man. Write he as a subject and use verb is. After that, write adjective in positive degree. Write adjective in comparative degree, that is greater. Greater, greater. After that, use then, and after that, use any other. After that, the word which remains after superlative degree is man. Thus, the sentence will be, he is greater than any other man. Here, while changing superlative degree to comparative degree, we write the sentence in the same way. When we come close to adjective, superlative degree of adjective, we change superlative degree into comparative degree. After that, we use then and any other. After the rest word of sentence are mentioned as given above. Thus changing of superlative degree into comparative degree is completed. So, it is necessary to follow the rule, that is, use comparative degree of adjective, after that then any other, after rest words are written. In the same way, if you want to change that sentence in positive degree, you should have to follow the following step. First step 1. Step 1. Start sentence after adjective of superlative degree. Here, the word man is written first in a sentence as a subject in positive degree. Second, use not or not after. Use not after helping verb. Third, write as or so as. Write as so as using positive degree of adjective. While writing as and so as, you should use positive degree of adjective between as and so as. After that, write step 3rd, write subject of superlative degree. Degree as object after as. Thus, the sentence that is framed should be man. Here man is common noun, therefore you should have to use other man. Other man is not so great as he. Thus the sentence tells us that कोई भी आदमी उससे उतना महान नहीं है जितना कि वो है. Here if we write man or any common noun as a subject in positive degree, we should use other or no other before common noun as a subject. Thus we come to conclusion that the sentence written in positive degree follows by as or so as. If sentence is formed in affirmative, use as. If sentence is written in negative, use so as. Here positive degree of adjective is written between as or so as. Thus the pattern is completed. Here another method to change superlative degree into positive degree. Here comparison, the highest quality of a person is given in two ways. First, without one of. Here one of is used special in particular. The sentence is Mohan is one of the best men of his village. Here one of the best, one of indicate special in particular. There are many men in Mohan's village, but Mohan has special quality, so it is known as special in particular. विशेष में विशेष. यहाँ ये गुण मोहन के पास तो है, लेकिन ये क्या है, ये समूह में से एक है. तो here this one of, word one of indicates that person whose quality is given is mentioned that Mohan is special in particular. Therefore, if we want to change this sentence, this best superlative degree of adjective, best into positive degree, we should use very few or only few, very few or only few before beginning of sentence. Here very few in Hindi, very few in Hindi, not more, means in negative sense. Very few is used in negative sense and only few is also used in negative sense. So First of all, we should use very few or only few. After that, write noun or noun phrase as subject in positive degree. After that, step second, use verb according to number of subject, and write step third, write positive degree of adjective, positive degree of adjective between as. After that, step 4, write subject of superlative degree as subject of superlative degree after as subject. Though you think that though the subject is written after as, but sentence is incomplete, it means to say that if we write he is लिख दें or Mohan is लिख दें, though the sentence should be complete, but the subject which written after as is written without verb. So be left verb. We should be not use verb before after subject. Thus, the sentence which you have to change in positive degree should be written as follows. Example is given above that should be changed into positive degree. First of all, we write very few. After that, write noun or noun phrase written after superlative degree, that is, men of this his blessed. The verb which is used after subject should be plural as the subject is man. Therefore, the verb is written are. Very few men of his village are as. Then write positive degree of superlative degree, that is good. As Mohan is. Or this sentence is written without verb, use full stop after Mohan. Thus, the sentence gives sense that very few, बहुत कम लोग, उसके गांव के बहुत कम लोग उतने अच्छे नहीं हैं जितना कि मोहन है. Thus, the formation of positive degree is completed. Now, that sentence should also be changed into comparative degree. While changing comparative degree, superlative degree into comparative degree. Another pattern is followed, that is written in following step. Step number 1, write subject of superlative degree as subject of positive degree. Second, use verb according to number of subject. Third, write comparative degree of superlative degree, adjective of superlative degree. And use then. Third, fourth, use most other or many other before writing other words. Thus, the sentence will be Mohan is here. Write comparative degree of superlative degree, adjective of superlative degree, that is good, but comparative degree should be better. Mohan is better than. Write most other or many other. Here we write most other. Rest words of sentence are written in same way, that is men of his village. Here the sentence that is framed is Mohan is better than most other men of his village. This sentence is written in comparative degree, while changing superlative degree in comparative degree. We use these steps, but we should remember that one half should be written in superlative degree, where as in previous classes you have read superlative degree is written without one half, as Mohan is the best boy in the class. Here superlative degree of adjective is best, but it is not special. Someone in particular, it is common. It shows common, but other sentence, Mohan is one of the best boys. It refers that there is group of boys, all are best, but Mohan has a special characteristic. It is called someone in particular. While in sentence 1, first sentence, the best is only common. While in general, we say Mohan is the best boy in the class. It should be written in another way. While writing in comparative degree, you should write Mohan is, change adjective, comparative degree of adjective, that is better, after that any other, then any other, and rest part of sentence is written after any other. While in second sentence, that pattern should not be followed. We should write comparative degree of superlative degree of adjective, that is better, after that use most other, better than, and use most other or many other. Thus, changing of superlative degree into positive degree and comparative degree is completed.